In today's video, we're diving into the top reasons Emirates cabin crew can get fired. So if you're preparing for this amazing opportunity, stay tuned, because knowing these things can save your career. And trust me, Emirates is one of the best airlines to work for, but there are rules you must follow. Alright, let's get to who may report you, so just follow all the grooming standards. For ladies, make sure your makeup is perfect, your hair is neatly tied in a low bun, and you have the correct lipstick shade, the signature red lipstick. For the gents, your suit and tie should be well kept and clean cut, and everything should be as per the grooming standards. Next we have layover travel distance. During layovers, you're not allowed to travel more than 60 kilometers from your hotel. The idea is to stay close and be ready to report for duty. If you violate this, you're at risk of getting a warning or worse. Now, during home standby, you must be ready for any flight assignment within an 8-hour window. Missing a call counts as an absence, and you'll receive a written warning. So, please always have your phone on you, and be ready to move. Next we have the pre-flight briefing. Every crew member participates in a pre-flight briefing. You'll be asked a random safety question, and failing twice means you won't be allowed to operate that flight. You'll also definitely get a written warning, so make sure you study your safety procedures. Engaging in extreme sports. Doing anything risky like extreme sports is a huge no. These activities include skydiving, rock climbing without proper safety gear, paragliding, snowboarding, and mountain biking in extreme terrains, among many other sports. If you get injured and can't operate your next flight, there's a high chance you'll be fired. Emirates takes safety very seriously. Moving on to traveling on days off. When traveling during your days off, you must return to Dubai at least 11 hours before your next flight. If you cut it too close, it could cost you your job. Remember, as Emirates cabin crew, you will be based in Dubai. Random alcohol and drug testing. Before any flight, you might face a random alcohol or drug test. Emirates has a zero-tolerance policy. If your levels are above 0, you will be terminated, so stay responsible. Now let's talk about brand promotion restrictions. As Emirates brand ambassadors, you will not be allowed to carry coffee or items showing other brand names while in uniform. That means if you grab your coffee, make sure the brand name is covered. Remember, being in Emirates uniform means you are their brand ambassador. Layover suitcase requirements. Another uniform rule. When on a layover, you're required to carry a large suitcase. If you forget yours or if someone mistakenly takes it, you'll be in trouble, as this is part of Emirates' strict image. By the way, have any of you ever seen Emirates cabin crew walking at the airport without the blazer? If you travel a lot, you will realize that they are always in blazers. And if you're caught without it, especially by a supervisor, it could lead to serious consequences, including termination. Social media misconduct. Emirates takes its reputation very seriously, and that extends to crew members' conduct online. Posting inappropriate content, leaking confidential information, or sharing negative remarks about the airline or passengers on social media could lead to immediate termination. Always be mindful of what you share, even on personal accounts. Passenger complaints. Frequent or severe passenger complaints regarding unprofessional behavior, poor service, or rude interactions can lead to a review of your performance. If the complaints are substantiated, it may result in disciplinary action or even dismissal. Maintaining high service standards is crucial. Takeoff and landing conduct. Finally, during takeoff and landing, when seated on the jump seats, sleeping or keeping your eyes closed for more than a blink is absolutely prohibited. If you're caught, it's grounds for immediate termination. You'll be fully informed about what's expected of you during your training period, and they won't fire you for something you haven't been taught. As long as you stay committed and follow the guidelines, you'll be completely fine. Remember, Emirates is there to help you succeed. They want you to thrive, and if you put in the effort and learn the ropes, you'll have an amazing career ahead of you. So don't stress, just stay focused.